Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a clean workspace and powering the switch off. This prevents static and fingerprints. Once done, remove the Joy-Con controllers to steady the console and hold it at eye level. Use the included dust sticker and microfiber cloth to clear every speck. Make sure to check corners and speaker meshes. Now peel the protector backing about 1/2 inch and position the top edge. Align it to the screen bezel and speaker gap so the rest lays down straight. You lower the protector slowly from the top while keeping alignment steady. This reduces skew. Next, press the center lightly with a thin card and push outward. This drives air and keeps dust from migrating. Continue moving toward the sides in a single steady pass, making sure the protector seats flush into the bezel. If small bubbles form, slide them gently to the edge. Alternatively, lift to just before the bubble, remove dust with sticker, then reapply smoothly to avoid trapping debris. You finish by pressing all edges firmly with the card, checking for alignment and tactile buttons. If there's slight overhang, very carefully trim with a fresh blade at a shallow angle. Do this only if necessary. Make one final pass with the dust sticker to lift tiny particles, then clean the screen with the microfiber cloth. If you find a persistent dust speck, lift the nearest corner slowly, remove the particle with the sticker, and reapply. This is the reliable fix when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.